Hey, Scrap Pounds, what's scrap-a-lacking? Today we are scrap-a-lacking a nice portable air compressor for your car. So I don't know about you. I mean, the thing probably works, but I don't really care because I don't want to fight with people on eBay if it doesn't work or whatever. They're going to complain what I would kind of think it's pointless for. I don't know about you, but that cord is not going to reach my cigarette lighter and then my rear tire. Unless I'm at the court running some b-ball and my ball's getting flat. I don't know. I see no use in it, and I see no use going through the aggravation of trying to sell on eBay. So let's scrap this portable air compressor for your car. Let's see what's in it. Okay, like normal. Let's check it out. Oh, don't be tamper-proof. Like usual, a million screws. I don't see 4, but let's see what's in this thing. Let's get the right scrizzle driver for the application. And we'll take these out. Not a whole lot, but we got a motor. Let us see what's in here. I don't know. Got some nice old long screws. Let's see what the metal we're working with. I doubt that's going to come off. That's forged in there. A baby piece of brass, if you're getting that technical. But it's got something else coated around it. Let's see what this is. Metal. I got some plastic gears. That's aluminum. Little piston. We'll take this eve off even further. There is nothing to this thing. But we'll try to break it down the most we can. Because, like you know, every little bit of scrap adds up. Better than throwing it away. It's not better than selling it if you found somebody that actually wanted this thing. Somebody big baller. So we got electric motor. I don't think I'm going to get involved in that. So we can pull out. This is all cast aluminum. This is not. I don't believe. No. I mean, if you can pop all this stuff out, if I can find the right tools, since I'm not very set up recently, that will come out. Take that little clip off. Anywho, take that off. Don't know if the rest of it's going to slide out. It should. We've got some switches, so you know there's silver contacts in there. If you're into saving those, I save them, have a giant pile of them, but I do not break them apart because it's not worth it. So you can do those. And what do we got here? That's our gauge, which is kind of cool, but let's just stick it out and see what it looks like. I don't know why I hear backup alarms outside. You got a gauge, a little bit of brass. You can go to town pulling that gauge out. Who knows if it works? I don't know. I don't really see anything in here that's worth even going through half the trouble I did, other than just snipping these motors, these wires off this motor, putting that in with your electric motors. If you want to bust that up real quick, cast aluminum. This is a little piece of cast aluminum. Man, but the problem is you got so much other stuff mixed in it. That's just garbage. So we've got some low-grade wire, a little bit of cast aluminum, and a motor. That's it. Nothing too exciting. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep scrap-a-lacking. Scrap-a-lacking, I mean, people. We'll have plenty more to come. More interested in this